How you doing? My name is Dave Shipulski. This is my all-original 62 Chrysler Newport. It's got 35,000 original miles on it, documented. I have all the original sales receipts for it, slips, everything for it, anything you could want. They're pretty rare cars to find at shows because if you know anything about old Mopars, they rotted out pretty much brand spanking new. So it's hard to find one in this good a shape, and this one came out of Connecticut too. Some of the interesting features are obviously these canted headlights. The 58 to 60 Lincoln Continentals had that, so it's kind of weird that Chrysler did it, but it looks great in my opinion.
You want to open the hood?
Yeah, absolutely. So it's got the 361 big block in it.
All original.
Mostly, yeah. The guy that before me, I think, did painted the valve covers, but otherwise, it's never been cracked open. I ended up doing valve seals, just a general, went through it and whatnot. But yeah, it's a pretty decent motor. Specs on it, kind of hard to find, but I think it's about 250 horsepower, but it's got like 350 foot-pounds of torque, so it's a torque monster, as they would say. You could have got the 361, the 383, or the 413, which is a wedge motor with two dual 4 barrels. So those things kind of scream, but you could only get that in a letter car.
You have a great understanding of all.
Yeah, I like this stuff. Like I said, this is number 5. The 259 Etzels, and the 65 Corvair, then a 65 Rambler Classic. Now I have this thing, so I plan on keeping this, but you know, anything can happen.
What do you got next?
Hopefully a 66 Tornado or a 66 Charger, but that's a diamond in the rough nowadays. But yeah, we'll see what we can get. But if you want, I'll show you the interior a little bit.
Show me.
Shut
And
this.
I heard you said you got invitation to Audrain Concours.
Yeah. I applied for it, and I applied for it in the original class because I mean, you don't see a whole lot of original cars anymore, and they accepted it. So I actually got accepted, and I don't know if you saw that 61 over there. He got accepted too. So I guess they want the old Chryslers, you know, if you want to come around. So that's an all original interior. You can't get this fabric remade, so you have to either get NOS or obviously keep your original, which this is. Everything.
I love that
got,
smell.
Yeah.
I wish I could transfer it through the video.
Yeah, it smells like 1962. There he is.
Are we going to the drive-in?
Yeah, the man of the hour.
You like the smell?
Yeah.
All original.
Are we going to the drive-in, little brother?
Yeah, sure, why not? I'll put you in the trunk too. It's got like an 8-person trunk.
Wait a second, little brother, you're old enough to maybe be my
Too funny.
grandson.
Yeah, right?
Forget about brother.
Too funny.
Or even son. This is crazy, Dave.
Good shape, huh? Yeah, it's all original. Like everything.
Think of it. Yeah, you don't want to. You definitely don't want to hang a coat.
No, no,
That's strictly for sure.
exactly. Yeah, I don't. Yeah.
This is crazy.
How am I going to prepare it for Concours?
I gotta go through it, buff it. Might do it. I probably won't do a wet sand, but I gotta go through and buff it, clean it up. It's got, I think, original dealer option floor mats. It's like a 60s style, like the way they did the floor mats back then were different. So it's got some original floor mats.
Are you gonna
Clean
do
those
something
up.
with fabrics
Yeah, it
like
needs some wind lace, so I'll probably do just this corner one. But otherwise, everything's pretty much
You're
all
gonna
set.
do everything by yourself? Or
Yeah,
you
I
gonna
don't have anybody fix it. I just do it all myself. You know.
It's expensive.
Yeah, exactly.
You have
So
a big garage?
yeah, I got a garage to keep it in and get everything done. But it's not much to it. Just clean it out, vacuum it out, ready to go.
Bring it over to Marlborough Main Street Car Show.
Is that
June
they
3rd,
still doing
next
that?
Sunday.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a beautiful place.
Yeah, I'll
But come
over there.
over earlier.
Yeah,
to
yeah.
get into the right spot.
Right,
and
right.
The best spot.
Yeah, definitely. If you
Show
want,
me the trunk.
yeah, I'll show you the trunk, and then if you want first, I'll show you the instrument cluster on it.
Okay.
If you want to zoom in on it, that's what they call it the Astrodome, and it's kind of just like a floating concept for like, so you could easily see it and whatnot.
Yeah, that's nice. I love that.
The lighting that's in it, it's all what they call electroluminescence. So like the 66 Chargers had that and whatnot, but they were doing this real early. The way it works is there's a power pack on the firewall, converts 12 volts all the way up to usually about 240 volts that runs the thing. Because there's no bulb, so it's all like panelescent lighting. It's totally weird, but it's just when you turn it on at night, it's just got this glow. It just glows. It's the coolest thing ever. It's 60s design, It's it's weird. It's totally weird, Yeah, if you want, we can pop open the trunk.
Yeah, let's go.
No, don't worry about it.
This is natural.
Don't worry about it.
My feet and hers are not.
I don't care. You know me, I don't care. I'll clean
Did you
it.
step into dog shit here around?
No. Okay, I guess you don't care about the video then.
I didn't know you were being interviewed.
No, don't worry about it. It's all part of the experience, right?
Wow,
It's a little
that's
messy.
a
It's a
big
little.
one.
It's a little messy now. I got my car show stuff in it, but
Uh-huh.
that's an original spare tire.
Uh-huh.
It's probably been out of the car once, maybe. Like I said, I can. If you want, I'll show you. I got the original receipts for it and stuff.
Mhm.
Like I said, this car has not seen a whole lot of action. You know.
You have to really talk.
Yeah, it's pretty neat. Yeah. It's the original sales. This is the original build code. That
You
was
can
on
put the microphone.
Yeah, you want to clip
like
it? Yeah,
here.
sure.
Okay, that's good.
Works good.
All right.
It's the original build code. It was under the
Uh-huh.
back seat. I pulled that out of it.
What are all those numbers? You understand
So,
everything?
you kind of have to break it down. It's too bad. It's kind of, you see the seat springs kind of messed it up in spots, but it's got like the printed wheels. That means it's got the covers. It's got wheel
Huh?
covers. Somewhere over here, there's a code for white wall tires. It's got a radio, AC. It's a heater. You know what I mean? Like everything was an option. So if you wanted, you didn't have to get a heater. It was like, there's just certain stuff up here that got kind of cut out. But that's that. You can actually, I think somebody told me you can actually still get the wreckage from Chrysler for it. I don't know if that's true or not, but I don't know. And that's the original sales receipt.
Right.
Came out of Connecticut. So it really has not.
3,600.
3,600 bucks. The weird thing about this car is the base price for one of these, I think, was like, I don't know, it was like $29.64. It wasn't something like, high 2000s. And it's not a whole lot of options. So it's weird that it costs that much money for this car with not a whole lot of options. So the only options that I can think of is it's got, white wall tires were obviously an option. Hubcaps were an option. The automatic transmission was obviously an option. You actually could have got a 3-speed on the floor. You couldn't get a column shift because of the Astrodome would get in the way. But it doesn't have a whole lot of options. Like I said, it has a clock delete in it, which is weird. It's got a backup light delete, so it has no backup lights. It's got a pigtail running to it, but it's just got a blockout plate. But otherwise, there's really not a whole lot of options to it. That's why it's just weird it costs that much, So. I don't know, he must have got nice carpet or something. I have no clue. You know what I mean? But yeah, I'm enjoying it. I like this type of car. And you never see these things either. They're so hard to find. They just rot it out. So.
What is like your favorite car around this car show today?
I love that 61 convertible that was here. That was nice.
Okay.
This 58 Olds is pretty awesome too. I like that. I love the color on it.
Uh-huh.
You don't really see gray cars from that time.
So, your favorite 50s, right?
Yeah, I like the 50s, late 50s, early 60s stuff.
Okay.
In my opinion, like, this is obviously biased, but like 1963 and up, that's when they started just getting more square and you know what I mean, just kind of boxy. Except for like a 66 Tornado though, like that's crazy. You know what I mean?
What's the most thing attracted you on this ride?
The front end, absolutely.
Okay.
The canted headlights.
Okay.
It's just you can see that from like a mile away.
Okay.
And it being original too. I like original cars. All the cars I buy have been all original
Who was
paint.
the previous owner of it?
I don't know. The lady that was selling it, she I guess inherited or
Like
something.
her husband?
No, I think it was her uncle or something. I don't know.
Okay.
But it hasn't been too many owners. Just kind of like flipping it in between. You know what I mean? So not a whole lot. But the original owner owned it for upwards of like 40 years. So
You wanted to sit there and show me something?
yeah,
Okay, let's go.
yeah. Did you get the? What do you want to look at? The dashboard there?
Yeah,
The Astrodome.
I see the light here now.
So it's kind of hard. Yeah, it's got a map light there when you open the door, and then you can put a dome light on. If you have power antenna, that's obviously power. Mine's not. You get the map light there, and then you can get a rear window defrost. Most of these better options were like on, say, like a New Yorker or a 300 or stuff. The Newport was one of the a lower model.
What
But-
about this stereo system? Is it still
It's the
working?
original radio. It works everything.
Uh-huh.
It's got obviously just AM. You know, but you could have got like a tuning search one that would search the radio and whatnot.
Wow.
But it's got
What
the,
are those buttons?
that's all just presets. You just
Wow,
put, yeah,
you
pull
can
on-
put presets.
Yeah, it's got preset and everything.
Come
yeah,
on.
yeah. It's got options. It's got options.
Nice.
But push
That's why they paid for that.
exactly. Push button torque flight transmission. 62 was the first year for the aluminum transmission. So
Uh-huh.
before that was all cast iron. But yeah, it's pretty weird with this whole gauge cluster and whatnot. You know, just it's like
It looks fantastic.
it's incredible. It's in my
Like
opinion.
a spaceship.
That's what I always say. 62 was the last year for space age styling. When you go to 63, it's
Mhm.
totally different. You know.
Mhm.
But yeah, I love this thing. You know, it's just totally weird. You know, and that's good. That's good. You know, but
Oh, thank you for your story.
Yeah,
I
absolutely.
hope to see you the next car show.
I'll be
and,
here. I'll be
Audrain
around.
Concours.
absolutely, I'll see you there. You know.
Beautiful.
But yeah,
and
thanks for the interview. You
Get
know.
ready for another interview.
Yeah,
next
exactly.
time.
Yeah, right. So that
You're a
sounds
good
great.
talker.
Yeah, I try. You know, I try. But yeah, thank you very much.
All right,
Appreciate
thank
it.
you. My man is coming. Hey, my man. Have a great day. Yeah, that's great.
I got one too.
I love that.
She's not completely ready. Well, she's ready. She's not safe.
What year?
80 Trans Am.
It's 80.
She's old. She's old enough. She's over 40.
Get anything below 72.
Yeah, that's a little tough. I mean, I do have one, but it's even worse.
Get yourself 69 Charger.
I'd love to.
I'll be happy to take videos.
Too bad I don't got $200,000. That's because that's apparently what they cost now.
Oh, you can get one for like 60.
Yeah, one that's in worse shape than that. Well, I agree with you. That's my magnum opus car, but still.
But my favorite is 68 Coronet.
Oh, that's not bad. 70 Charger for me. I like the 70 just because, you know.
I don't like the
black.
chrome.
Oh, that's the thing. Well, I
Yeah.
like certain amount of chrome. Like, give it the mesh grill where the headlights are behind, or the lamps are behind it, so it has an all mesh grill with the RT on it.
I think I even like better 68.
Either way,
Yeah.
the oldest car I got is a 49.
All right, enjoy.